What's the meaning of Congress House? Congress House. Congress House.
Congress House. Congress House. There is no official or commonly accepted term Congress House. However, it is possible that the term refers to either the United States Capitol building, where Congress meets, or the House of Representatives, which is one of the two chambers of the U.S. Congress. The U.S. Capitol building is a symbol of democracy and the seat of government power in the United States. The House of Representatives is the lower chamber of Congress and is responsible for crafting and passing legislation on behalf of the American people.